Menteri ka Sarkar Jela wakmiru yakatnat fisheries ubay alheg ula ong baka fish deal kebadan hamar Pyrshah manage sini Edmund'S College in Kyntiew no shaka Aqua Park. Habakren sekilat pathai ko bor ke ski balang ubay heg ula ong bay ka fish deal in snai kum ka aquarium na kabanta kinang wan junga pathe maban kring ni ki bawan junga. Ulai thu bakindan hadulai tali ki Aqua Park ki bansa thousand hakajla.
10 minutes before, I discussed with the new secretary about a few schemes which is very priority to be taken it up. One is the fish deal here in Shillong to make a integrated with tourism for aquarium, aqua park. Then two is in Boilumbo. 3 is in Umsing area. Then for animal husbandry, that is from fishery. This is for the animal and husbandry and veterinary. What is the veterinary hospital at 3 mile of Pyrshah? We want to speed it up that one because we don't have one good hospital for the animals.
So, whether the DPR for this animal husbandry hospitals is made?
The full-fledged DPR already made. Since the estimated cost has become very high, so the government means from the planning department have told us to at least reduce the amount, so we have to make it to the phase 1 first. Now for the phase 1 DPR, we have not separated from the original DPR.
So, when this phase 1 thing will be separated?
Pardon?
When this phase 1, when the thing will be done, phase 1?
I have told just today only, immediately it will be taken down.
And regarding this phase deal, 3 phase deals are coming.
Not 3 fish deal. One fish deal. It is the area called fish deal area. Here just opposite to Edmund'S, where we are going to make aqua park, the aquariums kind of things in this fish deal. Not 3 fish deals.
3 aqua park.
3 aqua park.
And what will be the cost estimate for this?
That is, I just discussed today. It takes some time to prepare the DPR.